Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carla the Natural, and today I'm going to be showing you guys something super fun and cute. So yes, you guys see I have my hair up in this high puff. This is a 10-day-old wash and go.
I can explain. Let me explain.
That needs to go away. And so today I'm going to be doing something really fun. So I think I should just start by telling you guys, like, first things first, I just got the new Extreme WETLINE gel. But did you see these like little, that right there? Girl, I tried this on it because I'm trying to see if this little style is gonna work that I'm trying to bring y'all today. So what I'm gonna be doing is like a slick back kind of look. So if you have not already done so, sit, subscribe, like this video because it's gonna be litty, and I'm just letting you know that because it's me. So first things first, you're gonna need to a spray bottle. Next, I'm going to be using the Texture ID 3 times the moisture leave-in conditioner, and this is a leave-in conditioner as well. So this is their conditioner, but it also says you can also use it as a co-wash or a leave-in. I always look for conditioners that can be left in or can be used as a co-wash. 100% love it. So yeah. The next item that I'm going to be using with my hair is the argan oil. This is just regular argan oil, and that's simply because I don't want frizz with this style, and I've noticed that whenever I use argan oil in my hair, it tames the frizz down like so much. So we're gonna use that, and then of course we're gonna use the Extreme WETLINE gel. So that's all you need for this style, besides like you know, a little brush so you can slick it back, and yeah, that's it. And then I think for my edges, I'm gonna be using the Texture ID Edge Taming Gel. That's what that looks like, and I love that. I mean, it's so good. Edge control does not flake on me, and it's so hard to find an edge control that's not gonna like get hard and leave your hair feeling crispy, your edges feeling untamed. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video.
It's pretty.
So now that I have it separated how I want it, I'm gonna go ahead and work with the back. And so I went ahead and spritzed it. So nice and wet. And now I'm gonna go in with my 3 times the moisture conditioner. I wanna be detangling because you don't wanna do this style on tangled hair. That's what you don't want, because that will mess you up. So making sure you have enough to work with that's gonna help you detangle. So just work it through. And I'm not gonna use really my detangling brush because my wash day is gonna be in a couple days from now, which I need to get to. But yeah, and I'll do my major detangling then, but I just don't want it to be extremely tangled as I do this style. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my argan oil. And I mean just like a little bit, just so you can take the frizz off the top. I'm just gonna go ahead and use a little scrunchie and pull this back into a little pony. That's what I'm working with right now. And now let's work with these top sections. So I started out wanting to do braids, but I am not a braider, and I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Like, braiding is just, it ain't for everybody, and it's definitely not for me. It ain't for me, sis, okay? But I am going to part it.
Much later.
All right, now we're gonna work with this section, and we're gonna do the same steps that we did to the back on these 3 sections, and then I'm gonna move to the other side and do the same exact thing. And actually, I'm gonna show you guys. When I get to the step to do the gel, I'm gonna show you guys how I slick that back. Okay, and I'm just gonna slick this back like that. And this is the part, if you want to do a little cute thing on the side, make sure you have that hair out, because you don't want to disrupt the style and pull it out later when you go to layer edges. So I'm just gonna keep brushing that back, smoothing that down. Okay, and I'm just gonna take that and I'm gonna undo my little pony back here, and I'm gonna add that to my pony. Just like that. Add that. And so now it's added to my pony, and I'm just gonna add a little bit more gel here. So that's what I'm gonna continue to do with the other sections on this side. Alright you guys, so this is what my little bun is looking like right now. And I'm gonna let it dry. I'm gonna put on a scarf and I'm gonna see how long it takes to dry. And then after it's dry, I'm gonna come back and yeah. Alright you guys, so I'm back and my hair should be dry by now. It has been wrapped up like this. I went ahead and did my edges, you know, did a little something something, and here we have this look. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this down and see if the hair is nice and dry. All right, and this is what it looks like. I'm happy with this. It's cool, you know, I'll take it. It's not as dry as I wanted it to be, but I think it looks really cute. So I did go ahead and exchange my black scrunchie for this one to just let it was fun. It was cute. This is what the black looks like. And this is it, y'all. This is the look that I achieved today with my low sleek pony. And what I was intending to do was make this into a bun, but I think it also looks cute, you know, like this with a little puff. I think I'm gonna try the bun. I'm gonna go with this scrunchie because I feel like the whole like African jungle vibe right now with the gold and the okay. So if you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, share it, and comment, and let me know what you guys think about my style. If you've achieved this look using other products, let me know what products you used and how they work for you. Once again, you guys, stay blessed, okay? Be safe, stay inside your home, okay? And we're all gonna get through this coronavirus thing together. I really appreciate you guys supporting my channel. So thank you so much for watching.